What up mga solid subscribers na? Okay guys, tingin tayo ng mga updates ngayon no, sa ating mahalima. So very big shout out kay Miss Oppo guys no. So tara, ito ang unang natin video no. This video is entitled Foreign Fans Flew to Watch SB19 no. Grabe no, traveled all the way for SB19 simula at wakas concert no. So tara, panoorin natin.
I was on TikTok back in Germany. It's a bit slow.
These foreign fans traveled all the way for SB19 simula at wakas concert. We've seen many Pinoy 18 from different countries travel all the way just to watch SB19 Simula at Wakas World Tour concert. Many have flown state to state, country to country just to watch them perform live. So now, let's feature these foreign fans who have flown to Singapore to watch our boys. We have these two from Germany. According to OP, they flew from Germany to Singapore to watch the Simula at Wakas concert. They're just a newly 18 and discovered SB19 through YouTube, and they were hooked and loved the SB19 songs. Marami pang foreigners akong nakita but don't had any chance to interact with them.
Grabe no. Biruin nyo to guys no. Tayo yung head, yung ano ito no. They're just a newly 18 and discovered SB19 through YouTube, and they were hooked and loved the SB19 songs no. Guys, newly 18 no. So usually mga makikita na dyan yung mga tao na ang tagal na sumusuporta sa SB19, yung talagang ano no. Pero nakatuwa na alam mo yun, yung mga newly 18 no. Alam mo yun, in just a short span of time guys or amount of time guys no. Talagang minahal na po na talagang SB19 no, di ba? Doon mo makikita yung, for me matawag ko siya parang magnet guys no. Parang yung grabe yung magnet ng SB19 talaga sa mga tao no. Pag napakinggan mo sila, ay nako, tuloy-tuloy na po talaga yan guys. As in, grabe. At the same time guys no, gagastos sila dyan, like may mga extra expense silang mga gagawin dyan guys, like kunyari hindi naman guys ano yan eh, like to the point na sasagutin pag bumili ka ng ticket sa concert ng SB19, sagot na lang yung tickets mo eh. Ewan ko lang guys kung may gano'n, comment down below kung meron na. Parang meron yata gano'n pero hindi ko matandaan, pero comment down below guys para mas clear tayo no. Pero mostly guys yung mga lumilipad dyan no, ano yan, talagang sariling expense talaga nila lahat, as in no. That just shows guys talaga na kung gaano ka-solid yung pagmamahal and kung gaano ka-tindi talaga ang SB19, kung paano nila makuha yung puso ng mga tao guys no. Solid po talaga.
You like them?
Oh, okay.
Okay. How'd you find SB19?
So, I was on TikTok back in Germany. It's a bit slow over there, so I didn't get to see them only in March. And then I saw the Ghetto challenge, and I love, like I'm a dancer, so I saw them dance, and I was like,
so yun, dancer pala siya no. So kahit ako guys, ako as a dancer no, sobrang nahook ako sa SB. At the same time, syempre dahil kay Stel no, si Stel na my former groupmate sa isang sayaw no, nahook din ako sa SB19 dahil sa dancing ability nila no, since I'm a dancer no. Kasi ang maganda sa P-pop and sa ganyang klaseng larangan no, is meron siyang sayaw no. Kasi kung kanta lang yan guys, medyo makakarelate ako kasi dati naman, pero way back pa yun guys, elementary pa yun. Naging choir ako guys, elementary. Pagdating kasi ng high school ko, basketball. Pagdating ng college, doon ako nag-transition into dancing no. Tawag dito, doon kaya mas nakakarelate ako sa SB19 kasi may sayaw eh. Kung walang sayaw yan guys, believe me, hindi talaga ako makarelate po talaga sa SB19 no? So ayun no, since I'm a dancer, nakakatuwa na meron ng ganitong klase no. Kumbaga kami mga dancer, magkakaroon na kami ng platform no, or magkakaroon na kami ng makakonect na kami sa mga artist ngayon no, dahil sa sumasayaw na rin sila talaga.
they dance so good. And then I started to look at all the music videos and dance videos and the whole story, and then I got so into it. And in April, I bought the tickets for you.
April pa. Grabe.
Oh, now you're here! Enjoy! Let's enjoy together.
And we have these Taiwanese who first saw SB19 in the Hitopop Music Awards 2025, and now they have flown to Singapore to watch them in a concert. And here are some of the locals from Singapore who have watched the concert.
So I just want to ask guys, how's the experience? Amazing!
Wonderful no. So sila lahat guys natuwa syempre sa SB. Kasi naman kung fan kayo ng SB19 guys, tapos pag halimbawa, ayun to, may sinend sa akin guys no. Wait lang, may sensa. Panoorin na to, no? Ano kaya ito? Medyo nakaka-intriga to guys. Wait lang. Okay, let's watch this. Ano yun? Live Nation Tero. Ano ang Live Nation Tero? Yan yung gusto kong malaman. Check natin, ha. Live Nation Tero. Ano yan? So, they are based at Thailand. So, meron silang pasabog sa Thailand, no? Ano kaya yan, no? Mukhang susurpresahin naman po tayo, guys, no? Ay, ano kaya yung surpresa na? So, guys, meron last update, no? So, tara natin.
South Korea's neighbor calls SB19 the Philippine national idol amidst ACON 2025 news. First of all, SB19 has not ever claimed any title by themselves. It's always the media, the people that do it. They are named the P-pop Kings. But now they have another title, the Philippine National Idol, given by Naver, South Korea's largest online portal platform, equivalent to Google.
Uy, grabe, Philippine National Idol, guys. Damn, son.
Article titled SB19 Next G Psychos Gravity Kiki Kickflick Shine at ACON 2025 First Lineup. It says, the first lineup for the Festa ACON 2025, celebrating the 10th anniversary of the global #1 award ceremony Asia Artist Awards, has been revealed. Global fans are paying close attention to what kind of stage SB19, the first Southeast Asian idol group to make it onto the Billboard and establish themselves as the Philippine national idols, along with Next G, Psychos, Gravity, Kiki, and Kickflick, who are considered next-generation performance powerhouses for their perfect performances that contain their own colors, will present at the Festa ACON 2025. SB19 previously won 2 awards at the Asia Artist Awards 2023 held in the Philippines, including the AAA Best Artist Award and the AAA Hot Trend Award in the singer category, making their appearance at ACON 2025 even more meaningful. SB19 has indeed made a good impression with their explosive performance on Asia Artist Awards 2023 that ACON 2025 is excited with what they would bring to the ACON stage this December 7 at Taiwan's Kaohsiung National Stadium.
Grabe talaga SB19, guys. Guys, tandaan nyo South Korea, no? So, dyan na-originate, alam nyo na guys, yung mga K-pop na sobrang sikat na mga K-pop groups niyan, which is Blackpink, BTS, yan guys, napakarami guys, EXO, dami, so too many to mention guys, no, twice as in, no? Dyan na, tapos mismo sa South Korea pa guys, nagmula yung Philippine National Idol na term, no? So, dito makikita guys, talagang nare-recognize ang SB19 ng kung saan talaga nagsimula yung ganitong klaseng atake ng pop music guys, no, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Although baka sabihin niyo guys ginagaya ng SB19 na hindi guys, no. Hindi ako magsasawang ulit-ulitin 'to, no. Tanggapin natin, no. Dati sobrang laki ng impluwensya ng K-pop groups, K-pop music sa SB19, no. Alamin natin 'yan, tanggapin natin. Pero ngayon wala na Humiwalay ng SB19 sa ganun sa ganun. Kumbaga nagsarili na, hindi man nagsarili pero kumbaga hinanap nila yung tunog po talaga nila, no? Hinanap nila yung sariling identity nila, no? Una-una pa lang, as a choreographer guys, choreography wise, napaka-unique guys. Wala akong nakikita ang mga ibang mga grupo na ganung klase yung touch ng choreography, no? Grabe talaga, napaka-genius ng SB19, no? Na kinuha nila si Sir J, no? A very, very, very great choice guys, no? Napaka-unique yung choreography, yung approach. Kaya tingnan mo, yung mga dancers all over the world, pati mga ibang mga P-pop groups or artists or mga artista na dancers din, no, nagugustuhan yung choreography and no-hook sila kasi unique it's kinda unique guys, no, di ba? Ganun naman tayo guys, pag unique ang isang sayaw tapos ang ganda tapos ang catchy, sobrang tatangkilikin natin, no. So ang genius ng SB19, no, tapos haluan pa na napaka-genius mind ni Pablo po talaga. So yun lang guys. I hope na enjoy nyo itong video na to as much as I did. So this is Point of signing out. Peace. That's it.